Hello, this is Iris from Hongwei. Please look at our 240 watts portable solar panels equipped with new technology of HPBC. The bus bars hides in the backside. This design change reduces shading on the cell surface, allowing more sunlight to be absorbed and converted into electricity. HPBC cells can achieve efficiencies of up to 25%. The foldable design and sturdy handles makes it easy to pack and transport from space to space. It's very easy to use. First of all, we unfold the panel. Lift up the adjustable kickstand. The panel needs to be facing the sunlight. For this panel, we provide 2 meters long cable with a small Anderson plug. You can directly connect the plug to the corresponding ports of the outdoor power supply. Of course, you can change the length of the cable or the plug type according to your actual needs. The application scenarios is also very wide, such as camping or road trips.